Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, it's so lovely to have you. Today we're going to be talking all about hair, and more specifically, how to get your hair looking and feeling its absolute best. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or just a little lackluster, we've all been there. Having strong, healthy hair can make such a difference not only to how your hair looks, but how it makes you feel as well. I don't know about you guys, but when my hair is on point, I feel like I can take on the world. And the best part is, getting that gorgeous, healthy hair is easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to share 3 of my absolute favorite tips for strengthening weak or damaged hair. They're super easy to follow and will make a world of difference. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the foundation of healthy hair: what you eat. You've probably heard this before, but a balanced diet is absolutely key when it comes to strong, healthy hair. Think of your body like a garden, and your hair like the beautiful flowers that grow from it. To flourish, those flowers need the right nutrients, right? It's the same with our hair. Protein is essential, as it's literally the building block of hair. So make sure you're getting enough lean protein in your diet from sources like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Next up, we need our vitamins. Vitamin A is amazing for hair growth, and you can find it in leafy greens like spinach and kale. Biotin is another hair hero, often found in eggs and nuts. And don't forget about iron, which helps carry oxygen to your hair follicles, keeping them strong and healthy. Leafy greens and red meat are great sources of iron. And there you have it. A few simple tweaks to your diet can make a world of difference. Now, let's move on to some luxurious pampering, shall we? Because sometimes our hair just needs a little extra TLC. That's where hair masks and deep conditioners come in, my friends. These little miracle workers are like a big drink of water for your hair, providing intense hydration and nourishment that can transform dry, damaged strands into soft, manageable locks. One of my all-time favorite ingredients to look for in hair masks is keratin. Keratin is a protein that makes up the structure of our hair, so it makes sense that using products with keratin can help to strengthen and repair damaged strands. Another ingredient I absolutely swear by is argan oil. It's packed with antioxidants and fatty acids that leave hair feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and shiny. I like to apply a hair mask or deep conditioner once a week, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends of my hair. Pop on a shower cap, let it work its magic for about 20 minutes, and then rinse it out thoroughly. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. Okay, let's talk about heat styling. I know, we all love a good curling iron or straightener to create those fabulous hairstyles. But as much as our hair loves a good makeover, too much heat can really take its toll. Excessive heat styling can lead to dryness, breakage, and split ends. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, you don't have to say goodbye to your styling tools altogether. The key is to use heat styling in moderation, and always, always, always use a heat protectant spray beforehand. Think of it like sunscreen for your hair, creating a protective barrier against heat damage. Another great tip is to embrace your natural hair texture whenever you can. Air drying your hair is a great way to give it a break from heat styling. And on those days when you do use heat, try to lower the temperature of your styling tools. You might be surprised at how effective they can be, even on a lower setting. So there you have it, my loves, 3 simple, easy-to-follow tips for stronger, healthier hair. Remember, it all starts with a balanced diet rich in hair-loving nutrients. Next, treat your hair to some TLC with regular hair masks or deep conditioning treatments. And finally, be kind to your hair by minimizing heat styling and always using a heat protectant spray. I really hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel inspired to give them a try. If you do, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I absolutely love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Until next time, stay gorgeous. Bye.